Global Cooperative Conference 2024 was held at which place? A. Mumbai, B. Ahmedabad, C. New Delhi, D. Hyderabad. And the correct answer is C. New Delhi. What is the objective of the One Nation, One Subscription scheme? A. Free ration to all citizens. B. Free internet to all rural areas. C. Access to all research journals for educational institutions. D. One subscription for newspapers. And the correct answer is C. Access to all research journals for educational institutions. Who was the last Indian Prime Minister to visit Kuwait before PM Narendra Modi? A. Rajiv Gandhi, B. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, C. Manmohan Singh, D. Indira Gandhi. And the correct answer is D. Indira Gandhi. Who has been elected as the new president of Ghana? A. Nana Akufo-Addo, B. Jerry Rawlings, C. John Mahama, D. Kwame Nkrumah. And the correct answer is C. John Mahama. Who has been appointed as the 26th governor of RBI? A. Shaktikant Das, B. Raghuram Rajan, C. Sanjay Malhotra, D. Urjit Patel. And the correct answer is C. Sanjay Malhotra. Which of the following awards was not awarded to Ustad Zakir Hussain? A. Padma Shri, B. Bharat Ratna, C. Padma Bhushan, D. Padma Vibhushan. And the correct answer is B. Bharat Ratna. Which film won Golden Peacock Award at the 55th International Film Festival of India 2024? A. The Sound of Music, B. Toxic, C. The Whale, D. Parasite. And the correct answer is B. Toxic. Who has won the Turner Prize 2024? A. Bharti Kher, B. Jasleen Kaur, C. Anish Kapoor, D. Rakib Shaw. And the correct answer is B. Jasleen Kaur. Who has been awarded the Women's World Athlete of the Year 2024? Elaine Thompson, B. Sifan Hassan, C. Shelly Ann Fraser, D. Faith Kipyegon. And the correct answer is B. Sifan Hassan. Who has been awarded the Men's World Athlete of the Year 2024? A. Noah Lyles, B. Neeraj Chopra, C. Letsail Tebogo, D. Jacob John. And the correct answer is C. Letsail Tebogo. Who won the Sahitya Academy Award 2024 in English category? A. Arundhati Roy, B. Salman Rushdie, C. Stareen Kair, D. Jhumpa Lahiri. Correct answer is C. Stareen Kair. Who won the Sahitya Academy Award 2024 in Sanskrit category? A. Radha Vallabh Tripathi, B. Deepak Kumar Sharma, C. Satyavrat Shastri, D. K.S. Waldia. And the correct answer is B. Deepak Kumar Sharma. The Order of Mubarak Al-Kabir awarded to PM Modi belongs to which country? A. UAE, B. Oman, C. Kuwait, D. Saudi Arabia. The correct answer is C. Kuwait. When is National Science Day celebrated? A. February 11th, B. February 28th, C. March 8th, D. January 24th. And the correct answer is B. February 28th. When is World Cancer Day observed? A. February 1, B. February 4th, C. February 20th, D. March 4th. And the correct answer is B. February 4th. Which team won Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy 2024-2025? A. Delhi, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Mumbai, D. Karnataka. The correct answer is C. Mumbai. Which country became the 104th full-time member of the International Solar Alliance? A. Georgia, B. Armenia, C. Nepal, D. Kazakhstan. The correct answer is B. Armenia. Where was the World Maritime Technology Conference 2024 held? A. Mumbai, B. Goa, C. Chennai, D. Kochi. And the correct answer is C. Chennai. Who has been named as the brand ambassador of Kho World Cup 2025? A. Akshay Kumar, B. Salman Khan, C. MS Dhoni, D. Ranveer Singh. The correct answer is B. Salman Khan. Who has been named Times Magazine Person of the Year 2024? A. Joe Biden, B. Elon Musk, C. Donald Trump, D. Taylor Swift. The correct answer is C. Donald Trump. Who has been awarded the Best FIFA Men's Player of the Year 2024? A. Lionel Messi, B. Erling Haaland, C. Kylian Mbappe, D. Vinicius Junior. The correct answer is D. Vinicius Junior. Which date has been declared as World Meditation Day by the United Nations General Assembly? A. 21st December, B. October 2, C. November 11th, D. January 1. The correct answer is A. December 21.